Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this video of this client that ripped her hard gel overlay on that index finger, and she told me that she had a little bit of lifting on the side on the tip, and she just went and just ripped off the hard gel. And this happened because it was past her 4 weeks and she needed to come back, but she didn't have any time, so that she said it was driving her crazy. And I just wanted to show you guys how I fixed this nail. There was a lot of damage and I just had to work on it very, very carefully and gently because I could do more damage if I am not careful. Here you see me filing off the scaly parts, just pretty much trying to get a smooth surface.
Some days were heavy, some days were bright. I couldn't say sorry though I tried, but the day I found a little strength to speak, I realize it's me who's grown this deep. I know it now, I see it clear. I'm standing here 'cause you were near. Words alone could never be enough, but still I'll say it from my heart. Thank you for being just who you are. Every word, every hug, every scar. No matter how much time passes through, I'll never forget what I got from you. Someday I hope to be someone who can lift someone else just like you've done, to give a love that's honest and true. Even a little, I wanna be like you. Thank you for being just who you are. Every word, every hug, every scar. No matter how much time passes through, I'll never forget what I got from you. You're still here, and that's enough to make me love this life so much. You're still here, and that's enough.
I'm going to be using this carbon gel from Fox Nails, and this is a fiberglass base that was specifically designed to use for cracked nails or any breakage. And after dehydrating and priming the nail, you want to use and apply this product very thinly, distributed all the way through the entire nail, like so. And if you do have to kind of like buff the nail to get rid of any fiberglass that's sticking up, you can. By the way, when you're done applying the entire product, you go ahead and cure this inside the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I decided to grab a bowl of Polygel from the brand Gelish, and what I'm doing here is building strength on the nail, but more so to additionally build the shape. She wants a soft square shape on her nails, like the rest of her nails. So that's what I'm trying to do here.
I'm so jealous of you taking that place to this heart. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less. But I'm so jealous of you. Fighting, but no matter what I do, crying while you're lying in this room. Trying, but it's hard to lie.
After curing it for 60 seconds, I went ahead and filed and buffed, just gave it a better shape. After filing and shaping, I decided to do a gel overlay, which I actually forgot to film, but here I am showing you guys how it looks after building the entire nail and just filling it up with a B-up. I don't recall the name of the B-up that I used. I know it's from the gel bottle. Now this polish is called Petal, if I'm not mistaken, from the gel bottle. It's a really, really beautiful color. It's like a mauve pink. It's really, really pretty, and it's very popular from their brand.
I thought that I was special. We will be together, but I've never been so wrong. Tell me, was it worth it? My heavy heart is broken, but now you're telling me that yours is open. Anyway, baby, it's too much. Then I feel just like a foolish. Say I've done stupid loser. I'm low, 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 low. I'm low, 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 low. I'm low, 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 low. I'm low.
And this is how the nail looks like after fixing the crack and covering it with strong base and strong material, and just reassuring that she is not going to have any more breakage on that nail. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.